Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your SST teacher, class 5, month of September, unit 18, the Great Mughals. I explained the who were Mughal, Babur, Humayun and Jahangir. Again I am telling about Babur. Babur was the first Mughal emperor and founder of the Mughal dynasty. He was the son of Omar Sheikh. He has written his life story by the title of Babur name. After losing his own kingdom to his relatives, he captured a few cities in Afghanistan and made a small kingdom. Raiding India repeatedly, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, at the Battle of Panipat. This is called the First Battle of Panipat. It was fought in 1526. He also defeated an army of Indian kingdom led by Rana Sanga, and the foundation of a great Mughal empire were laid. Babur died in Agra, India in 1530. Humayun. Babur's son Humayun succeeded him in 1530. He ruled from 1530 to 1540. He was a weak ruler and was defeated by Sher Shah and Afghan chief who ruled 15 years. In 1555, Humayun managed to regain the throne after winning the Battle of Panipat. This is called the Second Battle of Panipat. His death in 1556, within 6 months after becoming the king due to the fall his library still. Akbar. Akbar was the greatest of the Mughal emperor. He was only 13 when became the king. After the death of his father, Humayun, Akbar extended the Mughal rule and is famous for establishing a strong government. He was himself illiterate, but he was a great promoter of art and learning. He gathered many able and intelligent people around him who helped in his rule. Akbar introduced many reforms in the government. By the time Akbar died in 1605, his kingdom included most of the India subcontinent, Balochistan and Afghanistan. Jahangir. Jahangir became the king after Akbar. He made the empire built by his father strong. He was just ruler and rule efficiency. Jahangir was a great lover of nature and is considered an of the Mughal painting school. He ruled for 20 years and died in 1627. Now I am continuing my chapter. The next heading is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was the most magnificent emperor of the Mughals. He is remembered for developing the Mughal empire. He spent his time to build beautiful mosques, big fort and the Taj Mahal, one of the most beautiful structures in the world, built as a mausoleum for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. He died in 1666 and was buried next to his wife in the Taj Mahal. His full name was Shahabuddin Muhammad Khurram, the emperor of Mughal Empire in South Asia from 1628 until 1658. The name Shah Jahan comes from Persian, meaning ruler of world. He was the fifth Mughal emperor after Babur, Humayun, Akbar, and Jahangir. While young, he was the favorite of his legendary grandfather Akbar the Great. At the young age, he was chosen as successor to Mughal throne after the death of his father, Emperor Jahangir, in 1627. His reign has been one of the most prosperous ages of Indian civilization. The next is Aurangzeb Alamgir. Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb was the last great Mughal. He ruled for almost 50 years and was a religious person. He made many conquests and expanded the Mughal Empire vastly. Aurangzeb spent most of his time in wars, but he was also a promoter of Mughal architecture. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore is one of the great examples of Mughal architecture built by Aurangzeb. Abdul Muzaffar Muinuddin Muhammad Aurangzeb, 4th November 1683 March 1707, commonly known as Aurangzeb Alamgir, and by his imperial title Alamgir. World Caesar of Universe Caesar was the sixth Mughal emperor and ruled over most of the Indian subcontinent. His reign lasts for 49 years from 1658 until his death in 1607. Aurangzeb was notable, and during his reign, the Mughal Empire reached its greatest extent. He was among the wealthiest of the Mughal rulers, with an annual heir tribe. He was a pious Muslim, and his policies partly the legacy of Akbar, which remained a very controversial aspect of his reign. During his lifetime, victories in the south expanded the Mughal Empire in more than 3.2 million square kilometers, and his rule over a population estimated a being in the range of 100 to 150 million subjects. Next, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Soon after Aurangzeb's death, the empire broke up due to the weakness of the Mughal ruler. There were fights among Mughals themselves and with the local prince. Many princes established their own rule within the empire due to the weak central government, and last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah Zafar was defeated by the British in 1858, and the glory that was one of the Mughal emperor indeed. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was last of the Mughal emperor. In 1849, Governor General announced that after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out of the Red Fort and given other place to live in Delhi. In 1857, after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, Governor General Canning decided that his descendant would not be recognized as king but would be called only prince. Thus, slowly but decisively, the power of all Nawabs were taken by the British. His departure as emperor marked the end of more than 3 centuries of Mughal rule in India. Now, continue your work. Move to work. Write down your exercise A. Guess the personality with the given clauses. सबसे पहले आपने एक्सरसाइज ए करनी है. आपने पर्सनैलिटी का एक कॉलम बनाना है, एक क्लाउजेस का. पर्सनैलिटी का कॉलम बनाने के बाद आपने क्लाउजेस लिखने. क्लाउजेस आप ब्लू पेन से लिखेंगे और पर्सनैलिटीज आप ब्लैक पेन से लिखेंगे. नंबर 1, एन इलिटरेट मुगल्स एम्पीरियर. इसकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है वो है अकबर. AKBAR अकबर. अकबर एन इलिटरेट मुगल एम्पीरियर. सेकंड क्लाउज है लव टू बिल्ड ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग्स. इनकी पर्सनैलिटी है शाहजहां. शाहजहां लव टू बिल्ड ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग्स. बिल्ड. Third one is the founder of the Mughal Empire. Babur. BABUR Babur. BABUR Babur. The founder of the Mughal Empire, Babur. Fourth one is defeated by Sher Shah Suri. Defeated by Sher Shah Suri. Personality is Humayun. HUMAYUN Humayun. HUMAYUN Humayun. Fifth one is build the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Build the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Personality is Aurangzeb. AURANGZEB Aurangzeb. AURANGZEB Aurangzeb. Sixth one is great lover of nature. Great lover of nature, Jahangir. JAHANGIR Jahangir. JAHANGIR Jahangir. Jahangir, great lover of nature. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ये अपनी कॉपी में राइट करना है. ये मंथ ऑफ सितंबर का फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट है आपका। सबसे पहले आपने मंथ ऑफ सितंबर का टाइटल पेज बनाना है, देन आपने चैप्टर टाइटल पेज बनाना है द ग्रेट मुगल्स। चैप्टर टाइटल पेज बनाने के बाद आपने ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है, एक्सरसाइज ए, गेस द पर्सनैलिटी with the given clauses. If you have any problem regarding the exercise, ask me on WhatsApp.